All right, let's dive right in. We're tackling a massive question today. In a world that is just overflowing with data, how do we turn all of that noise into real, actual insight? Well, the answer is statistics, and we've got the perfect roadmap to show you the way. I mean, think about it. We're just swimming in data, right? Everything from the shows Netflix thinks you'll like to the ads that seem to follow you around the internet. But how does that mess of data actually become a decision? The secret sauce, the engine that powers AI and big data, is statistics. And today, we're going to pull back the curtain and show you exactly how it all works. So, let's start our journey. First stop, the modern data quest. Look, whether you're in marketing, finance, tech, it doesn't matter anymore. Understanding data isn't just a nice-to-have skill, it's absolutely crucial if you want to make smarter decisions and stay ahead of the game. Okay, so think of our map as having two huge continents. On one side, you've got descriptive statistics. That's all about summarizing and making sense of the data you already have right in front